Hi guys, just want to welcome you to my channel, 84 C4 Corvette repairs and maintenance videos. Mainly I started this channel because the things I want to do, I couldn't find a lot of video online about it. So I'm hoping this will help other people and other 84 Corvette owners. This car, as you probably know, if you own one, gets a lot of dirt talk about it in the Corvette community, but they're a really fine car. They're a lot of fun to drive and a big bang for the buck. So that's why I started this channel. There may also be other vehicle content on the channel, and but mainly I'll be sticking to maintenance and repair videos of my beautiful red 84 Corvette. So I hope you'll subscribe and stick around, and we'll grow this channel together. Thanks.